Hey guys, my name is Dini and today I'm going to be talking about the biggest mistakes Forex traders usually make. So without any further ado, let's get started. So mistake number one, traders with small accounts want to make big amounts of money. Traders with big accounts usually want to make small amounts of money, right? So I'll give you an example. Hedge funds usually aim for 25% to 30% profit a year. Okay, retail traders, however, want to make 100% in a day. Let that sink in. And I always say this, small accounts blow, big accounts grow. And I'm not saying every trader with a small account will blow their account, but I'm saying traders with small accounts usually want to make big amounts of money. Trust me, you don't want to be a desperate trader. Okay, don't aim to make 100% in a day. Aim to follow your strategy. Aim to follow the valid setups that your strategy shows, right? And that's it. Don't be trading for the sake of making the most, but trade by following your strategy. So mistake number two, traders usually trade with the only money that they have. I've seen a lot of traders do this, and they basically invest every penny they have into a trading account. And you don't want to do that because that creates unnecessary pressure. If you trade with the only money that you have left, you're going to want to increase it and double it and triple it, and you're going to fall in the habit of trading for the sake of trading. And that will make you an emotional trader. You want to trade without emotions. When you make a loss, you don't want to be depressed by it, okay? You don't want to be very emotional about it. So yeah, make sure you're not trading with the only money that you have left over. Make sure you have a side income. So that way, if you do lose money, you won't be living without food, okay? You won't be behind rent. So yeah, make sure you have a side income. So that way, if you make a loss, you won't be affected by it. So mistake number three is traders usually don't have a unique, solid strategy. Everyone trades the same. Everyone trades using head and shoulders, using the same support and resistance, and that's the problem. 96% of traders lose money and quit trading. Why do you think that is? Because everyone trades the same way. If you trade like everyone else, you're going to lose like everyone else. So the aim here is to develop your strategy, a unique strategy that has an edge. So you can either put a twist to a known strategy. So for example, if you know that head and shoulder patterns usually give 150 pips in profit, why not enter head and shoulder patterns when it gives you 190 pips in profit? So that way you're giving room for drawdowns and you're not entering at the same time as everyone else. Or you can develop your own strategy that has been back tested and you can trade that way. I personally use my own strategy and it's called the 20% strategy, and I only teach it to my VIP members. So if you want to learn my strategy, my email will be down below. And yeah. Mistake number four is traders take trades for the sake of it, or they take trades because they saw someone else take a trade. Okay, let's start with the first one. Taking a trade for the sake of it. Taking a trade for the sake of it puts you in a very desperate position. You don't want to take trades for the sake of it because you're going to take every and any trade. You only want to take trades when it meets your valid setup requirement. Okay, that's why we have a strategy. It allows us to not take every and any trade. Okay, so make sure you have a strategy, so if the setup appears following your strategy, then you take the setup. But if there's no setup following your strategy, then you won't trade at all. Also, if you see someone else on, for example, Instagram, taking a trade for pound JPY longs, then that doesn't mean you have to take the same trade. You have your own strategy, you are your own trader, you have your own balance, you have your own capital to protect. So don't trade just because you saw someone else taking a trade. And yeah, mistake number five is traders usually have multiple pairs and multiple trades running at the same time. You don't want to make that mistake, trust me. You will be exposed to the market on different conditions. If you take Euro trades, JPY trades, pound trades, and USD trades at the same time, then you're going to be subject to all the movements that each of these pairs have. 5 different trades doesn't mean 5 different wins, but it means 5 different movements, 5 different situations, 5 different endings. Okay, so no need to expose yourself to 5 different trades. I see all the time traders with small accounts into 5 different trades in one go, especially with different pairs, and they think they're going to make so much from it. But usually what happens is some trades go in a loss and some trades go in profit, and it gets very, very messy. So stop taking multiple trades. Start off with 1 pair at a time, 1 trade at a time. I personally only take 1 pair and 1 trade at a time unless I'm scaling into a trade. So yeah, no need to diversify your risk into 5 different trades, but just diversify into 1 trade and that's it. That gives you peace of mind, and also you're only exposed to 1 pair. And I guess the reason why traders do this is because they want to profit from every major move. And let me just tell you right now, you won't profit from every major move. The market has existed for a long time and will exist for a long time. So why take unnecessary risk? You need to have what I call the forever mindset. The forever mindset is basically acknowledging that no matter how many wins or no matter how many trades you take, you will always come back to trade. So why take unnecessary risk? You want to trade with the forever mindset and you want to acknowledge that you're in the game forever. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. These are 5 mistakes that I see all the time, and I hope you guys stop doing them. And yeah, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.